Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I've got a Primark come shop with me. This is from the Foss Park store in Leicester. So I recently nipped back home because I'm originally from Leicester and popped in and thought I'd film this for you. So I started off with those shorts, really like those denim shorts. And then there's a couple of linen items here. And then I'm going to move on to a few different styles of shirt. These are quite all blouses. These are quite baggy actually. Love these white embroidery on glaze style. There's a few different types here. Quite reasonably priced as well. I love this one here for £22. I like that a lot. Thought that'd look really nice for work. And this next one here, I had one like that when I was about 16, years and years ago. It's amazing how fashions come and go. Next up, some tailored trousers. These are like a linen look for £16, slightly tapered. And then another style here in like the cream, same price. And there's a matching jacket there, just on the edge. These are all the rage at the moment. Oh, I fancy saying all the rage. Those wide leg sort of jogger trousers. Love a bit of denim, really like this denim dress. Unfortunately, I didn't show you the top of it and it was lovely. But this is a different style with for £16, and it's got like a ruched bottom. And then here we've got in the sale a denim, I call that a top rather than a shirt because it's not got the buttons, whereas this one has. Really like this one as well. That was in the sale from 18 down to 10. A few of the t-shirts here, lots of different designs. As you know, I pick these up quite a lot on my hauls. I quite like this blue one, and this one I'm showing you here, the pink with the bows. I've recently bought that. May have shown you that on a haul recently, and I was considering this one because you know I like a bit of animal print, and I thought with the blue that would go really nice with denim. They're all £3. Here's a few more designs for you. These are all like a relaxed fit, so I tend to size down in these. I like this greeny coloured one I'm showing you here, but I did actually put it in my basket, and then I thought, oh, I normally size down in that to the 2XS. And even though I picked it up in the XS, I did put it back because it was a little bit too big for me. Over to a little bit of knitwear for the autumn. They've got some lovely sleeveless sort of jumpers. I really like this for £10. Had one like that before with the V-neck, I thought a couple of years ago from Primark, and I wear that a lot with just a little white blouse underneath it. This was lovely, really good quality for £14. And I love this. I love this colour, the green, and in a minute I'll show you a pink one. Thought they were really cute, look nice with jeans or trousers, or even a short skirt. A little bit more denim here, another denim dress, sort of a washed out colour for £20. And this next one I'm showing you, how cute is that with a little ruched bottom? There's quite a few skirts in Primark at the moment with that ruched look. That must be a new trend for this season. Then over to some pyjamas. They always have the themed ones, don't they? I like these Winnie the Poohs, different styles here. You've got these lovely sort of neutral colours, and then I do love that green, and whoever that lady was who walked in front of me. Yeah, really like that. Very nice indeed. They'd make a nice gift, I think. Maybe a nice Christmas present or birthday present. Dare I say Christmas, ridiculous. £15 for the bottoms, and then the tops were separate. Love this two-piece set. That was £9, a Disney one. I actually bought very similar bottoms to those from Primark for £4, and my top was £3.50. So sometimes it pays you to buy separates. They weren't Disney, but they were still very similar. Bit of loungewear here. The more autumny styles are coming in now, and then this is the latest. They have these every year, don't they, but just change the colours up a little bit. Over to some slippers. There's some new designs in here, the Ugg dupes. They've got all different types actually this year. They've got the platform ones and the non-platform, and then they've got, these are the non-platform. I like these. I wish I'd have picked a pair of these up, but I have got the platform ones from last year and a pair of spares. So I thought, no, I don't need any more yet, but I like those for £9. Cowboy boots are a big thing. Look at those beauties. They're really nice for £26. And then there's sort of a brownie, is it brownie burgundy colour? Again, £26. And then some black and burgundy. No, what would you call that? Oxblood. Let's go for oxblood. £16 for those wellies. Had some of these myself in the summer. I like these, and they do those in a wide fit as well. And then these next pumps I've picked up so many times because I think that pink is such a beautiful colour. Look at that. But I'm just not overly keen on the little bows on the front of them. I don't know why. I just think they need to change the design of those. Over to the casual wear. I like this zip up for £14. And then the normal sweatshirts, I think these are about £8 now. Yeah, £8. Actually, no, sorry, these are the hoodies, not the sweatshirts. Like that colour. I do like it when the zip is the same colour as the actual sweatshirt, which quite often they don't have. On these, as I show you here, they've got silver zips, and I just don't think they look as nice. This one here, though, if you see what I mean, this is a brown zip on this one, and I just think looks a little bit more expensive. Over to the pumps. These are a new design. I've had these before in a cream, the sort of platform fake or dupe Converse, but they've got them in that white colour. These I've also had a similar design previously, and they're only £6 just for a lovely plain pair of pumps. And then over to the trainer section. You can't beat Primark for some cheap trainers. Absolutely unbelievable prices. Bit of gym gear next. Look at this. I really like this. This is similar to some of the Halara gear I've been showing you on some of my hauls recently, but a fraction of the price. Love this pink colour. I really like this a lot. They had this colour in Primark in lots of different things, and I think later on I'll show you some more formal wear in this colour. Might be on a different haul, but it might be on a different come shop with me, but we'll see in a bit. Anyway, again, very similar to Halara, a little vest there like that. Over to some hair accessories, lots of different clips. I think these are quite expensive actually, £3.50 each for one. It's only a piece of plastic. Temu sell those for a lot cheaper. I'm a sucker for personalised things. These are little jewellery boxes, so for if you're travelling, again, make lovely presents. And you've got some quite simple ones and then some slightly more blingy ones with the little diamantes on there. These are a little bit larger, or you've got the neutral colour there. That black one, I can't quite see how much that is. I think that was about £5. £6 is that? And then there it is in the cream with a little bit of cushioned effect. Over to some handbags next. Thought that was really nice. That was in the sale, just with a few press studs on it. And I had something very similar to this when I was a lot younger. A little boxy basket bag. I love it. And these little straw bags as well are really nice. Very good quality. £16 for that one. And then I'll show you a couple of evening bags now. I really like that. That's a hard shell for £11 with a strap, a chain strap. A little bit of animal print there. And then this one, another boxy one. This one was in the sale. Yeah, I like that as well. The only thing is with those, you can't get much in them. That was reduced to £10. Right, over to some nails. Of course, I have to have a look at nails when I'm in here. I got some of those for my mum, of course. The square gloss, they're her favourites. And they had lots in the sale. Most, or some, were reduced to £1 or even 50p. Right, little bit of autumn for you here, bit of Halloween. I thought I'd nip in the home section and show you. I've not been in this store for absolutely ages, and I didn't realise they had such a big home section. So we've got lots of little pumpkins here, different prices, really nice quality actually. And then some faux plants or flowers to one side, which I've just shown you, and a little bit more here, and then over to just some normal decor here, just some plants, nice little calendar thing. That was £10. Thought that was a bit pricey. Back over to some more pumpkins, and here we go again. I'm sort of scooting around a bit. There's the fresh artificial flowers. Through to the different fragrances, the sachets and the wax melts and candles. Plenty of those on offer in this store. And then I spotted all these mugs. Aren't these delightful? Absolutely love them. You've got lots of different designs here, really reasonably priced. That little cockerel was in the sale, and this little Disney one I thought was so cute. And I've seen these in my local store, actually. I like those. I've seen them in oranges and lemons, and I think a tomato. Little cowboy hat there. And then this is the most random cup. Can you imagine trying to drink out of that? It's square, but it's very cute. Some little strawberry design crockery that's in the sale. And then this, there's only got a couple of these pieces. This was sort of spring summer design. I really like that. Wish I'd bought some stuff in that actually, but unfortunately I missed that earlier in the year. I love these little, are these, what would you call these, toadstools rather than mushrooms. So these are cups with a little lid to keep the heat in. Quite a big cup, but they were cute. I was just trying to work out what they are, but that's what I think, yeah, they're a cup with a top on to keep your drinks warm. And then you've got a little teapot here, very similar design. And then a few more mugs here in this design, the pinks and then the blues. I thought that was nice. Probably better suited for Valentine's Day, that one. A few more autumny colours over here with the ambers and yellows and golds. The glass cups are still in fashion, bringing out different designs in these. Little, is that gingerbread men on that one? Really nice quality for the price. Very impressed with all of this. We've got some napkins here and some placeholders. They're paper napkins for £1.50, little pumpkins. And then to match the pumpkin design, they are napkin rings for £4. You only got two. And then I like this tray, a drinks tray. Thought that was nice for £10. And then just moving on to a few more autumny bits. You've got a little pumpkin serving dish there. And then this next cushion, look at that. Pumpkin spice cushion. How special is that? For £10. Over to a few of the wreaths, just very briefly here, just to give you a quick flash. A few more pumpkins and gingerbread houses. Another toadstool. That one's £7. And then I'm going to move over to a little bit of jewellery now. I don't normally show jewellery. I didn't have my wedding rings and all my engagement ring and eternity ring on. I was getting them serviced and I felt so bare without them. And I thought, shall I buy some Primark rings just to wear, just so I've got something on my fingers? So that's why I came over here to have a look. Lots of different styles here, ranging from probably £2.50 up to £5. And they also did a lot of the initials, you know, the jewellery with initials on, which I really like. I must have spent 20 minutes looking for different B's in the different designs. Ended up finding a few, didn't buy any at all. But I like the silver. I do wear gold now and again, but I do prefer silver. But these were such good prices. Stacking rings for £3.50, and they do them in a small, medium and large size. They had some lovely necklaces as well, and earrings. hoops. Everybody wears the hoops from Primark. Well, I don't, but a lot of people wear the hoops from Primark. Just such good value. They're cute with little bows on. And then you've got some twisted hoops there, again £3.50. And then just a few bits here in the hair accessories range. Got some slides there. And they're ear cuffs. They were on a sale for £3. Got 3 in there, so £1 each, not bad. And then a few more necklaces here. There's the bee. Yeah, not for me. And I thought this was the most random pendant on a necklace I've ever seen. I wasn't quite sure what that was supposed to be. Different sort of choker necklaces there with pearls on, and again you've got a few more initials with the diamantes. These were really nice bracelets, just so reasonably priced. £2, £2 for a necklace. I wish they did have that in a B, but it was a lowercase b and I wanted a capital. Sounds ridiculous, I know. They had the capital in that one, but it was only plain. I wanted one with a bit of diamante on it, but I didn't find one in the end, unfortunately. They're really cute. They were 5 bracelets for £3.50, and one of them had a little initial on. So, coming to the end of this one, I have filmed a part 2 to this, so subscribe to the channel to see that, and I thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.